When you create a chart in Excel, it is important to understand the main components that make up the chart and how they influence the way data is presented. A chart in Excel is not just a collection of columns or lines. It consists of several fundamental parts that work together to display your data clearly. The first key element is the chart title. This title serves to inform the viewer about the subject or topic the chart is illustrating. It provides context so anyone looking at the chart knows exactly what data or issue is being represented. Next are the axes, which consist of two parts, the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. These axes display categories such as months, regions, products, or revenue figures, organizing the data points in a meaningful way. The horizontal axis usually shows categories, while the vertical axis shows values or quantities. Following that is the data series, which are the actual data points displayed on the chart in forms such as columns, lines, or dots. Each data series represents a particular product, group, or specific set of information that you want to compare or analyze. Another important part is the legend. The legend identifies the names of the data series, helping differentiate between multiple data groups within the same chart. This allows the viewer to understand which color or line corresponds to which data set. Lastly, there are grid lines, which are horizontal or vertical lines across the chart area. Grid lines help you read the values on the chart more precisely by aligning with the scale on the axes. They make it easier to estimate exact values by providing a visual reference across the chart. By recognizing these main components, you can better visualize and manage your Excel charts. You can add, remove, or adjust these elements to suit the specific data you want to represent, making your charts clearer and more effective for analysis.